Assalamu alaikum. I am Waqas Malik and this is my YouTube channel, Waqas Malik Official. And today I will discuss about articles in grammar. And that is very important topic regarding English grammar. And today I am going to discuss with you the particulation of definite article, the use and usages of definite article, and I will also discuss about the first 18 rules of definite article and usages of definite article in my today's lecture. And this is my channel, Waqas Malik Official, articles or determiners in English grammar. And today is my second lecture regarding articles, and especially I will discuss about definite article and its use. Okay, let's we start the discussion regarding today's lecture. Okay, use of definite article the, that is very mandatory in English grammar. The definite article the. Okay, we use definite article the. The is used before unique objects like the sun, the sky, the moon, the earth, the world, but not universal objects. We do not use definite article in universal objects like paradise, heaven, hell, Allah. That is the first use of definite article in English grammar. Okay, the second use, the is used before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, and deserts, like the Ravi, the Sahara, the Pacific, the Red Sea, the Mount Everest. These are the combination of mountains, rivers, oceans, and deserts. These words. And that is the second use of the definite article the. Okay. The third use, the is used before the names of holy books like the Bible, the Holy Quran, the Torah, the Psalm. Bible, Holy Quran, Torah, Psalm are the holy books, and we used before these words the. That is the third use of the definite article the. Okay. The is used, that is the fourth use of the definite article the, before the superlative degree in English grammar. Before the superlative degree, superlative means best, tallest, greatest. The first is the degree is the positive, and the second is comparative, and the third is superlative. The is used before the superlative degree, like the best, the tallest, the greatest. That is the fourth use of the definite article the in the construction of superlative degree. Okay, the fifth use of the definite article the is used before musical instruments like the flute, the violin, the guitar, the piano. That is the musical instruments, and we use the definite article the before these musical instruments. That is the fifth rule of the definite article and use of definite article the. And firstly, I have discussed about that the is specially used in particulation of things. Okay. The sixth use of the definite article the is used before an adjective to denote a whole class. The is used before an adjective to denote a whole class, like the old, the rich, the poor, the blind. And you can see old is a class, rich is another class, poor is a class, and blind is a class. So the is used before an adjective to denote a whole class. So we can say that we used the definite article the before an adjective to denote a whole class. That is, these words are adjectives as well, like old, rich, poor, blind in English grammar. And we use the definite article the before these words. That is the sixth rule. And sixth usage of definite article the. Okay, the seventh use of definite article the is used before or with countries that have plural names, kingdom or republics. Okay, like the Netherlands, the Philippines, the United States, the United Kingdom. With countries that have plural names, kingdom or republics, these are the plural names of kingdom or republics, like the Netherlands, the Philippines, the United States, the United Kingdom, etc. That is the seventh use of the definite article the. Okay. That is the eighth use of the definite article the. The is used to describe a particular direction of a country, of a city. To describe a particular direction of a country or a city, like the south of France, the north of Karachi, the west of Africa, etc. The is used before a particular direction or of a country or a city. That is a particular direction. South of France, the north of Karachi, the west of Africa. Okay. The ninth use of the definite article the is used before the names of important buildings as well, like the Badshahi Mosque, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. That is the ninth use of the definite article the before the names of important buildings. Okay, the tenth use of definite article the is before the names of newspapers and magazines, like the Pakistan Times, the Nation, the Express, the Mag. Okay, that is used before the names of newspapers and magazines. These are the names of newspapers and magazines: the Pakistan Times, the Nation, the Express, the Mag. Okay, that is the 10th rule of the definite article the rule or usages. Okay. The is used before the names of nationalities, religious groups, political parties. The is used before the names of nationalities, religious groups, and political parties, like the French, the Canadian, the Hindus, the Muslims, the Muslim League, the People's Party, the Republican, That is the name of nationalities, religious groups, and political parties. And we use the definite article the before these words. Okay, that is the 11th use and rule of the definite article the. Okay, that is the 12th use of definite article the. The is used before a proper noun if it is qualified by an adjective. Here is a condition if it is qualified by an adjective before a proper noun. Okay, the immortal Shakespeare, the great Caesar. The word immortal before a proper noun. Immortal Shakespeare, the great Caesar, if it is qualified by an adjective. Here the word immortal is an adjective and Shakespeare is a proper noun, and the great is a here is a adjective and the Kaiser is a proper noun. Okay, that is the 13th rule and use of a definite article before comparative degree when there is a sense of proportion. Proportion means quantity, fraction. Okay, like the examples, the deeper the well, the better it is. Before comparative, when there is a sense of proportion. The deeper the well, the better it is. That is the sense of proportion in this example. And the second one is the higher you go, the cooler it is. That is also proportion and comparative when there is a sense of proportion. And here the second example is a use comparative degree, and here is a sense of proportion. The first example, the deeper the well, the better it is. The deeper is a comparative degree, and here better is a also comparative degree. Higher is a comparative degree, and the cooler is also comparative degree, and there are also sense of proportion. So that is the very suitable example of before comparative degree when there is a sense of proportion. Okay, that is the use 13th use of definite article. Okay, the 14th use and rule of definite article. The is used before comparison of one proper noun to another. Okay, the first example is Kashmir is the Switzerland of Pakistan. Kashmir is here a proper noun, and Switzerland is also a proper noun, and the comparison of these two proper nouns according to our statement, comparison of one proper noun to another, that is the very suitable example. Kashmir is the Switzerland of Pakistan. Kashmir and Switzerland both are comparative proper nouns. Okay. The second example is Lama Iqbal is the Shakespeare of Pakistan. That is also very suitable example. And that is the rule number 14th of definite article. Okay. The is used. That is the rule number 15th and use as well in certain fixed idioms and phrases. Like in the wrong, out of the woods, on the spur of the moment. That is used in certain fixed idioms and phrases. Like in the wrong, out of the woods, on the spur of the moment. We used the definite article in certain fixed idioms and phrases. Okay. That is the use and rule number 16 of the definite article the. The is used before the names of ships aeroplanes and trains. Like the examples, the Shalimar Express, the Titanic, the PIA, the Air Blue, the Emirates. These are the names of ships, aeroplanes, and trains. And the is used before the names of ships, aeroplanes, and trains. The Shalimar Express, the Titanic, the PIA, the Air Blue, the Emirates. That is the rule and use of 16 rule and use of the definite article the. Okay. That is the rule number 17 and use of the definite article the. The is used before historical events like the First World War, the French Revolution, the Second World War, etc. That is also very common rule. And that is the rule number 18 and last use and rule of the definite article the. The is used before directions like the east, the west, the south, the north. These are directions, and these are the first 18 rules and usages of the definite article the. And keep in mind one thing, the word particulation and particularity. When we particulate and specific the things, then we use the word, the definite article the. And that is very important in English grammar. And that is my second lecture regarding the topic articles, definite and indefinite article. And in my upcoming lecture, I will also discuss about the indefinite article as well. And this is a very important lecture regarding definite article. Must keep listening and stay connected for my upcoming lecture. And this is from my side of today's lecture. And that's all. I have discussed about the first 18 rules and usages of definite article the. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for my upcoming lectures. And thank you and good luck from my side, and take care for my upcoming video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.